Welcome back to Nook's Kitchen. We are going to be making shrimp pad thai this evening. And before we actually do the actual cooking, we are going to be making the sauce first. So let me show you what we need in the sauce. First, we have tamarind sauce. This is some kind of fruit. It's very sour. And I like my food spicy, so I'm going to add some chilies, and then we have palm sugar. Oh, actually, this is not palm sugar. This is just brown sugar. And then we have soy sauce, oyster sauce, and then fish sauce. So let's make the sauce. First, I'm going to scoop out the tamarind sauce. Pad Thai is usually kind of sweet and sour. So I'm going to use a good amount of it. And then I'm going to add chili sauce, chili peppers, and then palm sugar. Ah, it's not palm sugar, I'm sorry. It's just brown sugar. Fish sauce. You know, for those who are familiar with my videos, when I cook, I usually do not measure. I just eyeball it and taste it. And finally, oyster sauce. We are stirring the sauce, and I'm going to add a little bit of water right away instead of adding it in the pan later. No MSG today. So our sauce is ready. Okay, now we are getting ready to make our pad thai. I already put olive oil in the pan, and so I'm going to let that warm up a little bit. Then I'm going to cook the garlic. Okay, let's go over the ingredients that we are going to put in our pad thai. First, this is the main thing. We have the noodles. This is the pho noodles. And then we have the shrimp. And then we have soja. This, in French we call it soja or bean sprouts. And then we have eggs. And then we have peanuts. This is roasted peanuts, cilantro, green onions, and garlic. Looks like the oil might be hot enough. So I'm going to cook the garlic. We are going to brown it, and then we are going to cook the shrimp. Okay, ready to add the shrimp. We are going to cook this until it's done, meaning until it is white. We are ready to add the eggs in our pad thai. I'm going to put all 4 eggs in here because I like the protein. Oops. So I'm putting that aside. I'm ready to cook the noodles. I'm adding a little bit more of olive oil. Adding the noodles. Oh, this is a lot of food. I I do not know how to cook for two people. You know, I'm so used to cooking for a large family. So I always end up with a lot of food, as you can see. Okay, so now I'm going to add the sauce. I think I can add more sauce. Okay, now we can mix everything together. I don't think I need any more liquid. It looks perfect. I still have a little bit of sauce left, but I'm just going to take a quick taste to see if it needs anything else. Oh, oh, that's a big taste bite. Oh, never mind. I'm getting ready to put the bean sprout in my pad thai here. It's looking delicious. Next, I am putting the peanuts. And then green onions and cilantro. Mix well. Okay, I think our pad thai is ready. I'm going to turn off the stove. Now I am going to taste it. Mm. Just how I like it. Perfect. One thing left to do. Cheers. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you soon.